Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by inspecting the umbrella swift. Tighten any loose screws and test rotations so yarn won't catch. Place the swift where a clamp grips firmly. Use a flat edge to avoid wobble. Measure the skein, then tie a small loop around one end. This prevents unraveling while you mount it. Once done, slide the folded skein onto the spokes and expand to the correct circumference, making sure tension is even so the winding will remain consistent. You now focus on tension and balance. Split the skein into 2 equal halves and drape each over opposite sides of the swift so weight distributes evenly. Slowly expand the spokes until the yarn is snug but not stretched. This preserves gauge and avoids yarn memory issues. Thread the working end to your ball winder or into your hands, maintaining a gentle pull. Once consistent tension is achieved, begin winding at a steady pace. Checking feed for twists. You finish by winding evenly into a cake, pacing yourself to keep layers uniform. Quick bursts cause uneven cores. When almost done, pause and tuck the last tail securely through the center. Label fiber type and wait if you plan to store it. Make sure to collapse the swift gently and unclamp it carefully so the skein holds shape. If problems occur, try remounting the swift, loosening the clamp a hair to eliminate binding, and realign any bent spoke before resuming.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.